Hi, my name is Denise, and welcome to Kata Dojo AI, where human potential meets AI-powered collaboration. We're so excited to have you here. Let's walk through how to get you started with your 7-day free trial, as it only takes a minute. First, visit our website at kata-dojo.com/AI and click on Start Free Trial. If you're using a Gmail account, select Continue with Google. If you're using another email, choose Sign Up with Email. For this demo, I'll use a Gmail account. You may be asked to enter your credentials. Just follow the prompts until you arrive at the Kata Dojo AI landing page, which looks like this. Next, you'll click on either option, then choose View Plans. To begin your trial, select the Pro membership and click Start Free Trial. On the next page, confirm by clicking Start Trial. Once complete, you'll be redirected back to the landing page, and now you're ready to dive in. You can start your first conversation by choosing Talk with your coach or Practice coaching in the dojo. This demo was recorded on a computer, but the same steps work perfectly on mobile, so you can enjoy Kata Dojo AI anywhere, anytime. Oh, one last thing. Save this link as a favorite in your browser or a link on your mobile device's home screen so you can have it for later. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video tomorrow.